Hey guys, it's SterlingW. Today we're going to show you how to shine your shoes fast and easy. Basically, we're using KIWI Express Shine to basically shine your shoes just like that. Now, basically we have, there's two types. Basically, they have different colors for Express Shine, where you can use a brown color for brown leather, black leather, and also a clear version of it. There's really no mess. All you really need to do is just brush out all the dirt or dust off of the leather of your shoe. If you really want to get, really good with this, take off the laces and, even clean those too. But anyways, if you're going out and want to get a quick shine on your shoes or take care of those scuffs, brush off anything off the shoe and then use this sponge with its fluid and stuff to basically add a quick shine and gloss. It makes it look very good, as well as it looks almost new after you do this. It does take care of some of the scuffs and dust and scratches, but at the same time it's not all of it. It just basically adds a nice shine to it and makes the color look a lot deeper after you apply the shine. It's very, very useful, very easy. It takes about a minute or less to actually do this, and it dries almost instantly. And there you have it. And if you look and compare, the right side is a lot deeper and glossier and richer than the left one. Same thing could happen for other shoes that are really worn. You can actually get black KIWI Express Shine, and it'll fill out all that gray and stuff, so it actually looks presentable. So he's a lot more presentable than a really scuffed up one. So it does come in other colors. Like I said, it comes in black as well as clear and brown for different type of leather surfaces. So with the shine, it really looks really good, but for deep scuffs like this, you have to use a shoe polish. You could try using the shine on it. It will take off probably a little bit of it, but not all of it. So it will hide some of the light gray and stuff, but you really do need shoe polish to actually buff it in and buff it out, and it actually looks pretty much new again after that. But anyways, that's really about it. It's SterlingW. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.